Hey, what's up, guys? It's Jordan Dove and Harley Dove with Just Listed Tuesday. Today, we're going to do it a little bit different. We have a listing that just came on the market over the weekend. We've had a few showings, but we wanted to share it with you guys. It's a really cute, clean, model type home property built in 2019 by American West, who actually got bought out by Pulte Homes. But American West has been known in Las Vegas and Southern Nevada for being one of the best builders for a very long time. Great homes, in my opinion. I love American West homes. Their layouts are great. Their materials are great. And it's just a good product. This property has a 10-year structural warranty on it. And we want to show it to you guys. So something we do for all of our clients is what's called a Matterport 3D virtual tour. And we're going to go through that with you guys today. We hope you enjoy it. This is something we give for our clients as a service. If you have a buyer that maybe is out of state, out of town, they just can't make it, they can do this instead of being with their agent and get a great glimpse into the home. And this product's so cool, you can take measurements from it. It's 360 degrees. You can look at the ceiling, the floors, the walls. It's unbelievable. So I hope you guys enjoy it. This property is 10121 Arbor Brook Court. It's in the southwest Las Vegas. It's zoned for Tarkanian Middle School and Desert Oasis High School. You have a ton of parks and recreation nearby, lots of land. This home sits in a cul-de-sac. And it's just a really clean property. I hope you guys like it. Harley, what's this property listed at?
So this property is listed at $570,000, all right? And it has 2,890 square feet. So let's see what this property is all about.
Hey, what's up, guys? So here we go. This is a Matterport 3D virtual tour of this property at 10121 Arbor Brook. This is the neighborhood. There's 12 homes that sit in this cul-de-sac, all different models built by American West in 2019. Here is the front yard landscaping of this home. It has cool solar lighting. It looks really good at night, at twilight, at dusk, and we'll put some photos at the end of this video for you guys to check what we're talking about. The home features pavers throughout in the driveway, front porch, and also to the side backyard. You have a walkway of pavers for easy access, rolling the trash cans in and out. You have some stonework at the front of the home. The eaves look really good. Again, this home was only built in 2019.
Right.
The eaves are the under of the roof right here that hangs off over the side of the house. So here's your front wrought iron security gate. There are plantation shutters throughout this home. And let's step inside and check it out. So inside the entry foyer here, we have a separate sitting room, family room. The living room is over by the kitchen where it has an open concept floor plan. They have some nice pieces. This property is actually including some of these pieces, like this mudroom piece here, this mini bar.
Oh, beautiful.
Let's see what they have to drink. Oh, they got some good stuff there. That's the good stuff.
You know, for a front room, I think they utilize this space really well.
Yeah, it's really nice and quiet and cozy. The color, you have the nice 6-inch baseboards, really warm, vibrant colors. You know, it feels like home. You also have a separate dining area. Something that's really cool about this feature, and we're going to leave a link to the Matterport so you guys can explore this yourself in the description of this video. But you have a ruler icon here, and if I wanted to, say if I had a table that I was going to bring in here and I wanted to see if it would fit, I can take a measurement right here from, you know, this wall, come across here, which is, you know, to this, you know, 8 feet 9 inches, 8 feet 5 inches, 3 inches, you know, come here. Boom, I got my dimensions. You know, if I have a 5-foot table or a 6-foot table, I would have plenty of space to be able to fit that in there. So, really cool feature to be able to do. So going through, this is a 2-story home with 5 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms. You have your separate dining area when you walk in. Let's go into this living room here. This is a main living room, and as you can see, it has an open floor concept. These coffered ceilings come down, very modern and chic kind of look. Big space here, big sectional couch they're able to fit here. Kitchen's nice chef designer kitchen. Stainless steel appliances are all included. Huge, you know, huge oversized island in the middle where you can fit chairs actually on that side and have plenty of room to work with inside the kitchen. Really cool. I like how the oven is separate right here in the middle, and there actually is a hidden hood up here that you can't see, but they do have a hood. Tons of cabinet space and a nice espresso color. And inside here, I don't know if they're on at this time, but they are for the photos, but they have LED lights inside that make it really shine inside. Really cool. They have some nice crystalware. You can put whatever you want over there. Right here you have a walk-in pantry for your food and storage. And stainless steel sink. All the appliances are included in this property. Let's go ahead and step outside. Check out the back. Look at these plantation shutters throughout. Really nice. Really clean. I like it. Really clean property. Let's step outside here. If I can get outside. I know I can get outside. Maybe we'll come back to going outside. Let's go check out this little area over here where you'll have a half bath little powder room when you have guests over, so no one has to go upstairs and use your bathroom. We have a separate laundry room. The washer and dryer are included, and you have a little linen closet here, and that's your entrance to your garage. So check out this wrought iron railing on the staircase. Pretty cool. Let's go ahead and go up here. Let's climb the stairs, go upstairs into our main hallway. Now, this has 4 bedrooms, but this is technically could be used as a 5th bedroom and a loft because it has a closet here and a window, so it's a 5th bedroom loft combo. They decided to keep this open, to have that open space, but you could close it off if you wanted to make it a complete 5th bedroom. That's why we call it a loft bedroom combo. Excuse me. All right, so let's check out the master bedroom quarters here, or primary. Double door entry. I love this bedroom. Love this bedroom. Oh, yes. Huge, 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 huge. Big. They can fit a sectional in there. They have nice furniture. Looks really good. Carpet's really clean. Let's check out this bathroom. There's 2 closets. One for him, one for her. Hers is bigger, of course. Love that. Hers is bigger, of course. Really cool. Double sinks here. Lots of counter space. Separate toilet room here. And you have a nice big walk-in shower with that bench with the quartz touches and finishes. So, very nice. Yeah, very nice master bedroom away from the other bedrooms, which are on the other side of the hall, which we'll go to here. Let's go check in this bedroom right here. And this is one of the 4 or 5 upstairs bedrooms, walk-in closet.
Good size. Oh.
Connected to a bathroom. It's almost like a Jack and Jill. It's not connected to the other bedrooms, but it is connected to this hallway, which goes into this bedroom and a bedroom here. Sorry, I'm getting a little stuck here. There we go. Trying to click in the right spots. You can also do this on your phone. It's really good on the phone. Another walk-in closet here. Linen closet. So this is your upstairs. You can use that loft for whatever you like. They have it set up as a exercise room. But going back downstairs, let's go ahead and check out the dollhouse view of this, where here's your upstairs, all the rooms, stairs, loft, bedroom, condo, master, 2 closets, master bath, and 3 bedrooms here with the bathroom there, full bath. Downstairs, here is our view of our entry foyer into the family and dining room, into your living room and kitchen. There's a top view of that. Top floor is second. Now we're going to explore some more spaces here. All right, so we're in the backyard now. You have, again, more pavers back here, covered patio with the string lights. They did get this raised. The walls are nice and tall for privacy, but if you wanted to put in a pool, they actually had this home moved up closer towards the street with a smaller front yard so that they could put in a pool back here. Now, obviously, you'd have to level this off here. Right. This is actually quite a bit of space, and you could push that back, put in a pool if that's something you were looking to do in the Vegas desert. Little grass area for pets. If you have pets, you need a grass area here. They do have a garden, grow herbs, and there's some fruits in there as well. Side of your house, the AC units are actually downstairs on the ground floor, so not on the roof. But yeah, great, cute property, built in 2019, American West home. Let us know what you guys think about it.
Yeah.
Harley, you got anything for us?
I really enjoyed this home. This is a great marketing piece. Let your out-of-state clients know that this is an option if they want to look for homes in your state if they're not there. And let us know if you're interested in this property or properties in the area.
Cool.
All right.
Yeah, guys, so we're here to help you. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'll leave a link to this tour in the description. Go check it out. Let us know what you think. As always, this is Jordan and Harley, your realtors in Las Vegas. If you need an agent, our contact information is also in the description. So you guys take care, and we will see you next time.